Hello, my name is Jan Taals. I am living and working in Amsterdam as a psychologist. And this webinar is about the powerful tool of imagery. In the first part of the webinar, in the morning, there will be an overview, theoretically, about how it works, imagery, and also an overview of how imagery has been used through the ages, with examples from prehistory to modern times, modern psychotherapy and coaching. I will also present some case studies, also the difficulties, the pitfalls, because imagery is a very powerful tool, approach, but one really has to consider the person that's in front of us. Of course, we will also do a practical exercise, which will be shared in rooms and in the plenary discussion. And this exercise will be focused on how are you in life, how are you situated, and what is there to do. And imagery can really help. I will also present the stages, all the steps to be taken. Because be sure, the use of imagery is not only about images. No, it's also how you're going to use it in practical daily life. In the second part of the webinar, it's in the afternoon, we will concentrate on what you really would like to develop. What do you need in your work or in your personal life? And we will work with symbols, and we will go from step to step in practical exercises, different phases. I will present the different techniques one can use, because imagery is not only about seeing images. No, it's much more. It's using all your inner senses and also the expressive, the artistic exploration of it, and also how you can use it in your daily life. We will do a lot of sharing also and discussion, and I really hope you will enjoy the workshop. Hope to see you.